Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to set up the ASUS RP-AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater. Whether you're looking to expand your Wi-Fi range or improve network performance, this guide will help you get the most out of your device. Stay tuned and let's begin. Start by unboxing your ASUS RP-AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater. Inside the package, you'll find the repeater itself, a power adapter, and a quick start guide to assist you with the setup process. Carefully check the contents to ensure nothing is missing, and have everything ready before moving on to the next step. Connect the ASUS RP-AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater to a power outlet in your chosen location. Wait for the LED indicators to illuminate. The power LED should turn solid, signaling that the device is powered on and ready for the setup process to begin. Next, use your smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the network name, SSID, and password on the label located at the back of the device. Ensure your device is successfully connected before proceeding with the setup. Open a web browser on the device connected to the repeater's network. In the address bar, type http://repeater.asus.com and press enter. Use the default login credentials provided in the user guide to access the interface, then follow the setup wizard to configure your repeater seamlessly. If the signal strength indicator displays green, it confirms a strong connection to your router. To ensure everything is working correctly, connect your devices to the repeater's network and test the extended Wi-Fi range for seamless internet access in previously low-coverage areas of your home. After completing the setup, move the repeater to its optimal location for coverage. Check the signal strength indicator. A green light signifies a strong connection to your router. Test the extended Wi-Fi by connecting your devices to the repeater's network and ensuring smooth connectivity throughout your space. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. Call us at 1-323-507-3713. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully configured your ASUS RP-AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater. Now, enjoy enhanced and seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home or office. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.